Hi, this is Michael Walsh, the appraiser. Today we're looking at single-family home prices in the village of Forest Park using data from the MRED MLS. In the last 30 days, we had 12 closed sales. 9 more went under contract, and there were 19 new listings. Median sales prices in the last year were up 19.5%. Marketing times are down to only 78 days on the market. The month's supply of inventory at the current level of absorption is 4.1 months. And in the last year, bank-owned and short sales accounted for 13% of total sales.